So for this week I wanted to develop the command options available to the player. Building upon last week's point and click setup, the player now has the ability to move a single squad member to either a position or cover spot. This is also available as a squad command whereby the player can move both squad members together. Finally, the player also has the ability to reform the squad on their position. And a quick look at some code. So here from cover commands we can see we are first checking whether we want to move the first squaddy, the second squaddy, or both together. So let's look at just moving the first squad member. So first there's a function call to reset the squad member's previous cover position, but more importantly we are issuing a cover order. So if we scroll down to the cover order function, so here we see we are actually making another function call, and what we're passing this function call is the squaddy, so whether it's squaddy 1 or squaddy 2, as you can see here, whether it's squaddy 2, and we're also passing this, which is quite interesting. So the raycast hit, we are then getting the game object that we've hit, we are then getting a script from the object we've hit, and we are then calling a function called getPosition, and we are passing the point we've hit and the position of cover that the squaddy is going to use. And if we move down to squad member move order, finally once that function has returned a position for us to move to, the squaddy will then move to that position. So if we quickly have a look at cover position, where we actually call that getPosition function, we can see we're making a temporary float, and this is used to store the distance of the raycast hit and the first available cover position. And then we simply loop through all the cover positions available at this position and find the shortest, the one that's closest to the hit point, and we then return that cover position, which is then used to move the squad member. And quickly to see it in action. So here if I press 1, we can move this squad member over here. If we press 2, we can move this squad member over here. If we press 3, we can move both squad members to a single piece of cover. If we press 4, we can get the squad to form back up on the player. And again, if we press 3, we can tell them to move to cover. And that's it for this week.